Does your patio furniture need a little TLC? Don't just toss it in the trash. Breathe new life into it with Tremclad, Canada's most trusted rust paint for more than 50 years. Tremclad Rust Paint restores any tired, rusted showpiece into a show-stopping masterpiece. No primer needed. Tremclad's amazing 2-in-1 paint and primer penetrates directly into any metal right over the rust. Superior rust coverage and protection in half the time. Just apply to seal out moisture, inhibit rust, while providing a long-lasting, fade-resistant finish. Highly durable, use it outdoors on multiple surfaces, even light posts. Tremclad is weather and heat resistant. Update that rusty barbecue and chiminea that you always wanted to restore. Restore old childhood treasures for generations to come. With a comfort tip, you have the ability to spray at any angle, making any project really easy. You can even paint and restore that old hockey net for long-lasting protection.